Welcome back to Frequency Online Math. So we'll be solving this question on the board. So we have a population has a mean of 67.45 and a standard deviation of 2.93 from a random sample of 100 students. And we're asked to obtain the 95% and the 99% confidence interval for estimating the mean. So we have our confidence interval. The formula is what? Our x, which is the mean, plus or minus our z alpha, then times what? Our standard deviation all over square root of what? Our sample size, right? So we have our confidence interval to be, our mean is 67.45. Remember, we are calculating for 95% confidence. So 95% confidence is what? 95% confidence, the value is what? 1.96. It's on the table. Let me show you. Here is it. It's confidence level. So the value of the Z value is what? For 95%, 1.96. Alright, so plus 1.96, then times what? Our standard deviation. Standard deviation of 2.93 all over square root of what? Our mean, right? Which is 100. So we have our confidence interval, which should be 67.45 plus or minus this times this will give us what? Let's multiply 1.96 times 2.93 give us 5.7428 all over square root of 100 is what? 10. So I have confidence interval for 95% is 7.45 plus or minus this divided by this is 0.57428. So we are going to have confidence interval to be, we do for plus and we do for minus. So 7.45 plus 0.57428, and then okay, let's do for plus. That's 67.45 plus 0.57428. So our confidence interval will be 68.02428, comma, then we do for minus. We have plus or minus now. So we put minus there. Minus 0.57428, giving us 66.87572, right? So this is for 95%. So let's solve for 99%. So I for 99%, this one is for R. For 99%, we're gonna have x bar plus or minus z alpha, then standard deviation over square root of the sample size, right? So our x value is what? 67.45 plus or minus our z. What value is our z? Yes. We are solving for 99%. Are you there? So solving for 99%. 99% is 2.58. 2.58. See it here. So 2.58, yes, 2.58. That's 99%. 2.58, as you can see here. And times our standard deviation is what? 2.93, right? 2.93 over square root of 100, right? We're gonna have 67.54 plus this times this will give us 2.58 times 2.93 will give us 7.5594 all over 10. That's 67. So our confidence interval is 67.45 divided by, sorry, plus or minus, remember, 0.75594. So we have confidence interval to be 67.45 plus 0.75594. We are doing for plus now, so it gives us 68.20594. Then let's do for minus because it's have plus or minus. That's 67.45 minus 0.75594. So it's giving me what? 66.69406. So these are the confidence level for the two intervals, confidence interval for estimating the mean. So thank you for watching and may God bless you.